CU solar channel versus strut channel roll forming machines. In today's in-depth video, we'll explore and compare two of the most essential roll forming lines in the solar energy industry: the CU solar channel roll forming line and the strut channel roll forming line. Although both machines are widely used for producing steel profiles in solar mounting systems, they differ significantly in structure, operation, punching technology, profile variety, and changeover flexibility. One. Forming stations and profile design. Let's start with the heart of every roll forming machine, the forming stations. In both the CU and strut channel lines, forming stations consist of upper and lower roller shafts, which gradually shape flat steel coils into a finished profile through a sequence of precision-engineered steps. The CU solar channel line typically includes 14 to 20 stations, built with heavy-duty gearboxes, larger rollers, and robust frames. These lines are optimized to handle thicker galvanized steel coils, often ranging from 1.5 mm up to 3.0 mm. The goal is to produce strong, structural C and U profiles used as rails, beams, and vertical posts in large solar power installations. On the other hand, the strut channel line usually includes 10 to 16 forming stations. It's slightly lighter in construction but more versatile in profile output. It's commonly used for producing slotted U channels, back-to-back strut channels, and supports for both solar structures and industrial framing systems. While the CU line is engineered for structural strength, the strut line offers greater flexibility in channel styles and hole configurations. 2. Punching system, press versus inline. Now, let's talk about one of the most important differences: the punching technology. In the strut channel line, the punching process is done through press punching, also known as stroke-based punching. A mechanical or hydraulic press is mounted before or after the forming section and operates by delivering high-speed vertical strikes to punch holes or slots into the steel. This method is fast, simple, and cost-effective, especially for standard-sized slots that repeat along the profile. However, press punching generally requires pausing the line for each stroke or operating in an offline setup, which can reduce overall speed and limit customization. In contrast, the CU solar channel line utilizes an inline hydraulic punching system that works synchronously with the moving coil. Controlled via PLC and sensors, this punching unit is fully integrated into the roll forming line, allowing customized holes to be punched without stopping the line. This ensures higher precision, better hole alignment, and efficient operation at high speeds, especially important in solar mounting systems, where every hole position matters. In short, strut channel uses press punching, fast but less flexible. CU solar line uses inline hydraulic punching, slower setup, but highly accurate and continuous. 3. Size adjustment and profile changeover. Next, let's look at changeover flexibility, the ability to switch between different profile sizes and shape. Both the CU and strut lines from LOTOSFORMING come equipped with adjustable roller stations. These rollers can be manually or semi-automatically adjusted to produce different widths and heights of profiles without the need for full die changes. For example, on a CU solar line, you can switch between C100, C120, C150, or between U41, U52, U61 channels in just a few minutes. The same flexibility applies to the strut line, allowing rapid production of single slot, double slot, back-to-back, or open channel designs. business. If you manufacture heavy-duty solar structures and need precision punching, thicker materials, and higher mechanical strength, the CU solar channel line is the perfect match. But if your focus is on modular solar supports, electrical tray systems, or multi-profile production with frequent size changes, the Strut channel line offers more versatility and ease of use. Both machines offer outstanding reliability, low maintenance, and can be fully customized by LOTOSFORMING based on your project needs. Both lines provided by LOTOSFORMING are engineered with adjustable roll tooling, enabling fast switchovers between different channel widths and heights without replacing the full tooling set.